What are you doing?
It's better than nothing.
What's going on?
Get my brother out of some snow.
Day 2, huh? You got the key? What is that?
Drunk, boy.
You're gonna dig your brother out with that, huh?
I'm not prepared for these casualties. Chicago would have been just another day. You know, trains would have still been running. People would have been going to work, you know, on time. Government would have been shut down. Old Tchaikovsky, out in the Shy, the Windy City, they doing this shit on a regular basis. It's real frantic with snow. Who's going sledding today? We need to get a snowboard or something.
Yeah, you said he got stuck out here somewhere. I don't know where he's at.
You want to go to the gym?
Yeah. He's here. I'll grab his key fob now that he's here. You want to go to the gym?
I'm not gonna go. You go.
Don't be a bitch.
You got to go.
Does he walk backwards?
I don't know where he is. Well, I don't know what the hell is going on.
Is that him over there? What was this? Cherry Hill Road?
Yep.
What's he doing?
I'm gonna back up a little bit and I'm gonna grab some.
Tire all day. Get him one more tire with.
I mean, I'll tell him.
Have you ever done this before?
Couple sucks, man. Pull it out. Great, just coming off a long 24 and gotta shovel myself in to get parked.
Shovel yourself in.
Yeah, will do.
Are you tired? Are you beat up or what?
I'm beat up. I need to drink some coffee. I'll be alright. You guys help me out, I'll help you out.
Alright.
So,
This didn't take long.
no. You gotta back up.
Not that one. Get in there, man. God. It just gets worse. Look at this balcony, boy. It's all over the balcony. Look at those poor schmucks. I guess we can't leave. This is disastrous. What do you think there, boss? What do you think there, big guy? Huh? Big Bri, home from work, safe and sound.
Workers fucking woke me up. I was trying to
What do you wake you up for?
just woke me up for no good reason.
Still working on that beat? That shit better be a fucking Grammy Award winner by now. I haven't checked it out yet. What are you up to? Damn it. Are you cooking something?
No.
Are you baking something?
No. Fixing this beat.
It has been 10 weeks, and I am not liking this one bit. Tell me what that means.
Means that I'm still...
What are you making up in here, man? Huh? Is that for us or just for you?
You want some?
I can make some. I'll make some when you're done. So what's going on today, man? What are we gonna do? How are we gonna prevent getting cabin fever up in this motherfucker? What are we gonna do? Make some beats, boy?
Well, finish up some things.
Ellie.
Where the fuck is Don?
Why are you always asking about Don? You love that boy, don't
Where
you?
the fuck is Keith?
Why are you always about? Well, you love those boys, don't you? You got nothing else to talk about but them.
Where the fuck is Alan?
Let's go out and lift, boy. What are you looking for?
This guy up.
Good on the job. The job of all jobs.
Hey, Chris, man. Trying to find that book?
Yeah.
What book? What book is it?
Psychological examination. See if you're crazy or not.
Go Nelly.
Ellie. What?
How does one do this?
It was made yesterday.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we spent hours and hours making this thing.
All for him, right?
It's and that's open game. Ellie will peel and all that stuff.
I'm sure she has already. Go pee-pee.
No, don't.
Go pee-pee on the green shirt. He'd be so mad. That's one of his favorite shirts, too. Are you still looking for this fucking fireman book or what?
Yeah, I'm trying to find a book.
Or while he's over there making beats?
It's like way too long his legwork.
Are you going to read it for him, too?
Yeah.
You're asking me if it's the right book?
There's 1,000 books on this.
Dude, it was the same book. What are you talking about?
I don't remember being saying.
I just told Nelson what the book was. Dude, you're fucking eating retard sandwiches.
Stop eating retard sandwiches, man. And stop.
I'm just trying to help the candidate.
Dude,
Jesus.
I had the right book. What are you talking about?
You keep fucking with him, he's going to punch you in the face.
Yeah, I'm gonna spend $40 to get the wrong fucking book. Where are the right fucking books, Will? Got all the wrong books. Where are the right fucking books?
Chris, what's the name of the book you ordered? What is the name of the book on the receipt?
We squirt this out. Come on, man. What the fuck?
He was fucking great. He can't fucking pay, dude. Fucking Lebowski.
Dude, I may be fucking gone before then.
His argument about it is correct.
Buy the right fucking book.
I need to buy this fucking book. I just spent $40.
But did you get the right book?
Hey, you wanna see it? The book's right here.
What's the name of the book on your receipt?
Why is he getting pissed off? Because we're trying to help him. I don't understand.
Because you're bugging the shit out of him, dude.
I haven't looked
It's
over
one
there.
thing. It's one thing to help him. It's another thing to treat him like he's an idiot. Why do you do that? You're the big brother, right?
No, I mean, it could be a different psychological book. Seriously,
The,
there's like 50...
the police one.
Dude, you told me exactly which one to get.
Okay, well,
The
no.
website.
I gave you the wrong name. I said McNeese, and it's McNee.
Dude, whatever. Google fixes it.
One out of three ain't bad.
Huh? What? That you can use?
Are you lifting, Glenn, or are you running? What are you doing?
Lifting. You ready to rock? Get some
seconds.
Still got 10 minutes, man.
You gotta be prepared for that fucking wind, man.
Gotta be prepared for this lift.
Nelson, what are you doing? Here's what I'm doing. All right, I'm just.
getting in a fucking lift. There's 10 times more snow than there was earlier.
I'm wearing snow boots. Glenn, are you wearing snow boots to lift?
No. I got my
I'm
Asics.
lifting right here, man. Lifting fucking Heinekens all night.
Chris Page, not a lifter.
That's sad. It's just sad.
Hey, man!
It's just sad.
You're gonna let us.
It's not funny.
You're gonna let us.
It's not funny. This I don't find funny.
You're gonna let us.
Why are you laughing? This I don't find funny.
You're gonna let a guy that just came off the 24, sick as a dog, fucking go in there and lift, but you're not.
Blame your brother. Blame your brother.
You need to do what you don't. You need motivation from. You're not serious. He's like, they're taking selfies in the gym. They're not serious. He's standing in front of the mirror taking selfies like they're at the gym, but I don't see any lifting.
We got this guy right here. Like, what was it? November. He's like, yeah, I got a 20-pound vest. I'm doing hills. you could take like another pair of 20s on hold them, and then like a fucking month later, I'm not fucking lifting, dude. Fuck that shit. You guys are fucking phenomenal, man. Best weekend ever. I knew coming over here and getting snowed in with you guys was the fucking best idea ever.
Chris, how'd you mess up my bed like that, dude? I just everything's on there and you just fucking.
No, it was like that.
No, it was not. It was me bed. I'll set it up for you again tonight.
Dude, I'm 35 years old, dude. I can fix it myself. Like Stevie's like, dude, the guy's 35 years old.
He's a kid. Help the kid out. He's a kid. He's 35.
Because he's a grown ass man at 35 years old.
He must have been a real fun with that dude. You were fucking hungover and fucking didn't.
No, I didn't. I never showed up hungover. It's fucking
Chris went on a
mechanically inclined, dude.
He went on a bender.
Mechanically uninclined.
He went on a 3-week bender. Then went to work on Monday. He stopped drinking Sunday night.
3-week bender?
That road
You
trip.
drank for 3 weeks straight.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah. That was a 3-week bender. Why's she crying? She wants something? You're not going to give it to her, huh?
No, I don't know what it is.
I got some pasta.
Turn that water off. All right, you got some water going
Got
on?
some pasta with olive oil.
All right.
Some fresh asparagus with a little bit of olive oil. Fresh ground pepper, black pepper,
Yeah.
salt
On the,
with this.
Hey, should we shred some?
Put it on low.
yeah. Let it marinate. Let it
And
simmer.
I got some chicken with the garlic seasoning.
Very nice chicken.
Also got a little bit of Italian dressing on there.
Okay, I see.
Pasta with marinara sauce, chicken, and asparagus.
That looks good, dog.
Not bad.
That looks good, dog. That's how we spend a Snowmageddon, dog. What do we got?
More, I got no problem.
What do we got? We got a little bit of Burnett's cheap ass vodka. We got a little bit of Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire, Heineken, Miller Lite.
Might learn how to cook, boy. Heard you're having some problems.
No way. I get better every day.
That's what it takes.
Every day, man.
Did you realize what just happened to the bed?
Why'd you take that shit out?
It's a prank. It's a prank.
What, man? I'm Brian.
Dude, it's gonna take 2 seconds to put it back, I promise you. It's easy. You thought,
Man.
dude, come on, man. You don't get a fucking prank. We don't have anything to do off. Dude, stop.
Hey, you put that shit back, dude.
Chill out, bro.